What's going on, everybody? I just wanted to make a little video here. We got a brand new fender. We don't have the fender yet, but we're doing the blend just to get the car out of the way. So I'm going to blend here. Now, I'm going to show you a little different technique. This is going to be very different. Maybe not many of you are doing it, but I'm going to show you that it works. Well, let's hope it works. All right, here we go. I've always had issues back in the days trying to blend these gigantic doors because it's like trying to blend the hood. So it's very, very difficult. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to come here and I'm going to do a circle. Yes, a circle, if this is crazy. Okay? I'm using a Matco MT HVOP 14, which is a 1.4, and spraying at about 25 psi. Now, remember what I've been talking to you lately about utilizing the thousands of dollars that the gun companies put into getting that nice spray pattern. So if you utilize it, make it work for you, then I'm telling you, you could do some amazing things with it. Sometimes, you know, you try to blend out a color and it's just not working, it's not working, it's not working. Sometimes you gotta flip that gun over, make the pattern, make the fan of the gun work for you. And it works really, really well. Might not work this time, but I'm going to show it to you anyways. So I want you to learn. So first coat, you saw I put it a little bit heavier. Second coat, I'm going to put it on at 20 psi, and I'm going to put it on kind of a medium. I'm going to attack it really, really, really well. Looking better. So then after this is flashed off, I'll do the same thing but as a control coat, and I'll double control it, and should be okay. I don't know, we'll find out. Right, I've been trying out this Kolad gloves. I think you can get them from whatever distributor you use. They work really well. You just have to change them regularly because then they start linting. But so far they've been amazing. Dropping my pressure to 19, 20, and we'll see what happens. think it looks great. I'm gonna let that flash and then we'll clear it. I'm using a Welcome. I haven't done a review on this gun yet because I want to dial it in, make sure I get it nice, so I can show you guys how to use it properly. It's a beautiful gun though. This is 1.4 and I'm using it at 30 PSI. Yeah, baby! I'm happy with that. First coat of clear. But look at it. It looks great. I'm happy. This looks very good. Is it perfect? No, it's not! Because I painted it. Alright, second coat, and we'll be ready to go. Alright, so there you have it, a nice short video for you with something for you to try and something for you to maybe take into consideration. You see that? It's a weird way of blending, but it really works for me a lot of times. Not every single time, but a lot of times. So I would suggest you do it, because then you don't have a line like this and you don't have a line like this. You kind of have something like this and it just disappears, right? So it works for me, and I don't know, I just thought I'd show you guys. Like I always tell you guys, thank you so much. God bless you. See you on the next time. And remember, use that gun for your work. Alright, they spend millions of dollars to get that pattern so nice. Use it for your advantage. Alright? I love you. Peace. Whoa! Where did the fender come from? Oh, I know. I know. It came from... being late. And now what are we doing? I'm actually glad that this happened, because, I mean, obviously I'm upset at the fact that it happened, but I'm glad it happened because I get to show you something really cool. Now, what you just saw was me blending the door. We're still waiting for the fender. Fender came in the weekend to paint it. I painted it, then it didn't match the door. Why? I don't know. It's probably, I probably used because the fender came in a week later. So obviously I can't keep a color in my week. I can't keep a color inside my gun for a whole week. So what happened, I put the color aside, I moved on with my life. Then when the fender came in, I grabbed the gun. I don't remember what gun I used on it. So then there was a difference between the fender and the door. Go figure. Also, some of the things that you learn as the years go by. Sometimes you can get away with that, with doing a part after. But most of the time, depending on the color, if it's black metallic, okay. But this was a perfect scenario that I was kind of glad it happened, because, you know, the truck came in, they're trying to get the thing through, trying to get the thing going, and then all of a sudden the part shows up, you know, a week later. which is terrible. And then I don't remember what gun I used. I had some color left over. So, but you know, it's just the perfect scenario for something to go wrong. So, I don't know what else to say. Just wanted to make sure I share that with you guys and know that it's okay to fail. If you fail forward, and you have to remember that if you're going to fail, make good use out of it. All right? Someone's calling me from Strongville, Ohio. Let's see who it is. Hello?
Yes, good afternoon. PPG Computer Support for Gabe, if he's available.
Oh, hey, how you doing?
They're ready for the day, and have a good evening, sir.
All right, man. Thank you so much. Take care.
My pleasure. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay.
God bless.
Waiting for your call for tomorrow. Bye-bye.
Bye. Well then. Yeah, so my computer crashed, and my scale wasn't connecting to my Paint Manager. So PPG has awesome support. I can't complain about that. PPG has awesome support. Anyways, God bless you guys, and I think it was important for me to show you guys that truck. Peace. Love you.